Hello everybody and welcome back to the next lesson on the private reading project. This is lesson 3 for the gold level of the project, so before you get started just double check and make sure that you've got the correct level for you. Just as a reminder of our plan then, in lesson 1 we talked about how to get started, lesson 2 was all about how to complete the main body of the work. This is lesson 3 where we'll be talking about how to finish off, and in lesson 4 we'll be talking about how to take pride in your work and how to check it against the success criteria to make sure that it looks really wonderful before you hand it in. So what is gold level? Just to keep us right, we're aiming towards a 600 word piece of extended writing which includes a report on the author and also a review of one of the books that you have read. Or, if you prefer, you could also include the same information in the form of a 5-minute long vlog. Everybody must also create a poster on their author and their books. And please remember that all of your novels must be by the same author in order to achieve gold level. Okay, so taking a look at our extended writing checklist, these are the things that we discussed including in our review. So detailed information about the author's life and career, our personal response to the stories we've read, a note with information about the title, author and the genre. We needed to make sure that it was 600 words in length. And we also needed to include an informative review of one of the 3 books that we've read. So far, we've already completed the work on the title, author and genre. We've included detailed information about the author's life and career. And we've started and almost finished our informative review on one of the 3 books. That means that during today's lesson, what we're going to be focusing on is finishing off our review of one of the books and also including our personal response. Just to give you a reminder of our structure, paragraph 1 was the introduction, paragraph 2 was for our author study, paragraph 3 focused on characters, paragraph 4 was all about the setting, paragraph 5 dealt with theme, and the paragraphs that we're working on today are 6, where we'll do our recommendation. So that means you need to discuss who you would recommend this book to and why. And also paragraph 7, your personal response. So that's where you'll be given a chance to mention your overall thoughts and feelings about the book, and also give it a rating out of 5 stars. So these highlighted paragraphs are the ones that you should be working on today. And if you need more time to work on paragraphs 1 to 5, a full structure for the review will always be on your OneNote page for each lesson, so you can have a look at that in more detail if you need. Also on the OneNote page is a list of sentence starters that you might use, and also a word bank. Perfect. So remembering then that we're including a poster as part of our work towards the final project, these are the things that we decided were going to be on our finished poster. So pictures of the various book covers, information about the author's books, a note about the author's personal background, some information about their career as a writer, and also a note about who you would recommend them to. So on your poster already, you should have completed a note about the author's personal background, information about their books, and information about their career. Oh, and also some pictures as well. So that means that during today's lesson, you need to focus on your recommendation. So who would you recommend them to? Now that's in 2 parts, so you might first of all think about who do you think would enjoy reading these sorts of books the most, and then also suggesting why you think they would enjoy them so much. So make sure that you've included all of that on your poster during today's lesson. And well done, you've reached the end of the lesson. So remember, if you're unsure about anything at all, to speak to your teacher and they'll be able to clarify anything that we've covered during today's class.